Ready? Go.
Hey, I'm Marc Passion. This is train cricket. I want to jump on board, want a couple of passengers, so they'll have a bit of a game with me. So, wait for the doors to open.
Alright, let's go here.
We're going in.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to edit this one.
I can start it again.
You go there. Then like, just talk to them or something.
There you go.
Punch legs up.
Bit of delay. It's alright. Wait till we start going. Alright, here we go. G'day, how you going? Hey, I'm Marc Passion. I was just wondering if you can have a bit of a cricket game with me.
Okay.
Yeah, just bowl a couple of balls to me.
Yeah.
That'll be good. Here we go, there's another one. Alright.
Ready?
This is train cricket. It's my invention. Not much room there. That one too. Still need a smaller bat. What do you reckon? I think so. Catch! There we go. Keep it going, one more. Catch! Oh, there we go. Good stuff. Alright. Well, that's me. Another entry in. Train cricket. How's that? Yay!